Hello, my name is Jacek. I want to present you my heat pump. There is two pressure switches and two heat exchangers. One of them is evaporator, where liquid becomes gas, taking heat from the second part of the heat exchanger with glycol, and the second heat exchanger is condenser, where gas becomes liquid. The heart of the heat pump is Copeland scroll compressor. Down there is expansion valve. There is a filter and several temperature sensors insulated from ambient influence. There are 3 circuits with glycol going underground and pump with glycol. There are also additional pumps for central heating and domestic hot water. There is additional heat exchanger improving performance, automatic section and controller. And there is one of many Dallas digital temperature sensor. Look below at charts concerning last 24 hours. Thank you.